If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Now, if you are in the health and fitness niche, I got 3 affiliate programs that you might want to check out. Now, this topic is very near and dear to my heart because I am in the fitness industry. I still got my fitness YouTube channel, Team BTFL. You can check it out later. All right. But anyway, if you are in the health and fitness industry and you're looking for some programs to promote, you're looking for a way to generate some income streams, I'm about to give you 3 affiliate programs that I feel you can't go wrong with. All right, let's jump straight into it. The first affiliate program that you want to check out is Amazon's. All right. Now, Amazon is obviously, everybody know about Amazon. All right. The cool thing about being an Amazon affiliate is you can damn near promote anything in the health and fitness industry when it comes to supplements or even workout equipment, massage guns, any of that stuff. You pretty much can promote it and earn a commission. So if you are doing like review videos on your YouTube or Facebook or TikTok, whatever, you can do review videos on products. Or if you are a personal trainer or health professional, you can actually recommend products to your clients and you could just send them your Amazon affiliate link and you can earn money that way. All right. Now, the thing is, Amazon is notorious for having trash ass commissions. I mean, you're looking at anywhere from like 2 to 5% commissions when you first get started. Some Amazon affiliates, they can earn up to like 10%. But me personally, I earn around 4 to 6% on everything that I promote on Amazon. But, you know what I'm saying, it's pretty easy money because people are so comfortable, you know, when they get on Amazon, you know, it's easy for them to purchase because they feel comfortable buying on Amazon. Now, another good thing about Amazon is the fact that if somebody click on your link, right, and say you were trying to promote a weight bench, right? So somebody click on the link, your affiliate link, and they go to Amazon, but they don't actually buy that bench, but instead they bought, for whatever reason, expensive treadmill instead. Because they went through your link, right? That's still connected to you, so you're gonna get the commission for that treadmill, right? So I forget how long it is. I don't know if it's a few days or like 30 days. I forget how long that link stays with that person, right? So that's a cool thing about the Amazon affiliate program. But keep in mind, the commissions are very low, but it's easy to get commissions. All right. Now, another place that I actually put in the same category as Amazon, and a lot of people don't know about this, right? Walmart.com got an affiliate program that you can do the same thing. You can pretty much promote anything, right? Workout equipment, supplements, all that stuff. You can actually get your Walmart link and do the same thing as you would with Amazon. Here's another cool little tip that you could do. Say, for example, you're a content creator and you're doing a review on a piece of workout equipment, right? What you could do is be an affiliate of Amazon and Walmart. So you could say, hey, look, if you enjoy this product, I'll put a link to Amazon and Walmart and you can see which one has the best price. Bam, right? Because the person definitely gonna pick one of them. So whoever got the best price, it don't matter because you getting a commission either way. Now, when it comes to becoming an Amazon affiliate, you have to go through a little process. Like you have to actually apply to be an affiliate. I've been an affiliate so damn long, I don't even remember. I remember when I did it, they wanted you to have like some sort of platform that you market on. So I think when I applied, I showed them a blog, one of my websites that I had. You might be able to apply if you have just a YouTube channel or maybe a social media platform. Definitely if you got a blog or something, you can submit that. But you might be able to get by with just having a YouTube channel. You got to figure that out for your damn self. Now, a lot of people don't know about Healthy Wages affiliate program, and you're missing out on a lot of potential income, right? because Healthy Wage is super popular and it's easy to promote. If you've never heard of Healthy Wage, it's basically a company that will actually pay people for hitting their weight loss goals. So people go onto the website, right, and they type in how much weight that they're trying to lose and what time period they're trying to lose it in. Once they put that in, they'll actually see how much money they could actually make if they reach their weight loss goals. Now, as an affiliate, you can earn anywhere from $50 to like $100 when you get people to sign up for Healthy Wage. And this is just, I mean, it just speaks for itself. So once again, you could do videos talking about weight loss. If you are in, you're a trainer or something, you could offer it to your clients. I mean, it's just endless opportunities when it comes to Healthy Wage. Like I said, it's super easy to promote. Now, last time I checked, the only place you can become a Healthy Wage affiliate is through, I think, Share a Sale, right? Share a Sale. You can look it up, or you could just Google Healthy Wage affiliate program. But once again, this is a dope affiliate program. All right, and a third affiliate program where you can make a lot of income if you promote it the right way is Live Good. All right, now Live Good, I've been talking about this a lot on my channel because this company is just dope. All right, now if you never heard of Live Good, it's like one of the hottest online business opportunities out there. It's primarily in the health and wellness industry. So Live Good offer products like, organic protein, vitamins, collagen. They just came out with these sleep patches and energy patches and all of that. So this is a great opportunity for people in the industry because it's all about health and wellness when it comes to Live Good. What makes Live Good so appealing to a lot of people is it's a membership-based program. So essentially, people pay $10 a month to get access to discounted health and wellness products, all right? And trust me, I know it sounds like, oh, of course you're gonna say that, but the products are really, really good, all right? So the idea is, people pay $10 a month and they get these heavily discounted Live Good products, right? But also, where you make the real money is when people you refer decide to become a Live Good affiliate themselves. That's when the earning potential is like through the roof. So when your referral actually decides to become an affiliate, you're going to earn a $25 bonus commission. But here is where it just gets crazy, all right? You're going to get a 50% matching bonus of whatever your referral earns in the Live Good little matrix thing they got set up. So to make it very, very easy to understand, say for example, you're promoting Live Good, whatever, right? And somebody decides to jump in like, oh, this is dope as hell. I want to be a Live Good affiliate, right? And for whatever reason, they go hard as hell with the opportunity and they start making $2,000 a month from Live Good, right? Because they bout that life, all right? Just because you referred them into Live Good, you're their sponsor, you're going to be earning $1,000 a month bonus. A month, right? So for every person that you personally bring in to Live Good that becomes an affiliate, you're going to earn that 50% matching bonus. So ask yourself, how many people do you want to bring in to Live Good? Imagine having 30 people that you bring in to Live Good, 100 people. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever they make. So yeah, for sure, Live Good is definitely something that you want to promote if you are in the health and fitness industry. Now, if you want to check that out for yourself, all you need to do is click that first link in the description. All right, so those are 3 affiliate programs that you can check out starting today if you're trying to make money in this fitness industry.